Bonjour French Chic ladies, the topic of our French Chic Solutions video today is about how to make your bum look smaller. If you're new to my channel, a big welcome to you. Please subscribe, don't forget that little bell, please share my video and please give me some applause if you love what I'm talking about. Today our style struggle is how to make your bum look smaller, and this is exactly the question that Karen asked. There are many ways to make your beautiful derrière look smaller, so I will give you a few of those tips today. So one of the things to do is to wear dark colors on your bottom. Wear black trousers, wear a black skirt or a navy blue denim jeans. Something as well for trousers, do not, please, if you want to make your bottom, your derrière look smaller, is to wear leggings or skinny trousers. They will give you the funnel look and will emphasize, or it will make your bottom look even bigger. The best leg style to make a bottom look smaller is a bootcut trousers. Wear pinstripe trousers, wear pinstripes skirts or dresses. Avoid detailing on your bottom, for instance, pockets on trousers. They would add a volume and they will add detailing, and then it will make your bottom look wider. Avoid, of course, horizontal stripes, in skirt or trousers. Avoid. Detract the eye from your bottom by wearing a lighter and brighter color at the top, for instance. If you're a pear shape and would like to make your bottom look smaller, your hips look smaller, I will put the link below this video to my pear shape e-course, and that will help you immensely, and that will help you to give you your style objectives and what to wear, what not to wear for your pear body shape. If you have other style struggles, please let me know in the comments below so that I can help you in my other French Chic Solutions video. I hope this was a great help for you, Karen. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in my next French Chic Solutions video. Au revoir.